battery. No crank, no pull.
Start smoking.
See, I already know what it is. We back. It's 2023. It's spring season. And we ready to grind it out, fellas. Show myself though, cause the man is back. Little hair on my face. Know y'all miss me. Miss y'all. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Man, hit the like, leave a comment. Let's talk about it. Push more Honda, baby, ready to go. But we got some new tools, baby. We got some new tools. RedMax still in the building, but like I said, we got some new tools. Got the Toro battery added to the lineup, and let's talk about what we got. We got the trimmer right there. The pole saw I had last year. Had that already. Had that last year. Had the hedges right there last year. But you got the chainsaw added on it. You guys are gonna be surprised at the power of this thing. Also got the cultivator back here. I don't do much with, you know, little flower beds and stuff. This is gonna help. You guys gonna see how the power is with this battery. And it ain't gas though. I already know I'm gonna get that, but it ain't gas, but somebody's gotta show you. So this right here is the multi-flex power unit. I believe that's what it's called, Toro. And get the pole hedges, the pole saw. So what we looking like, man. We back with the RedMax. We're gonna have to get another backpack blower this year. Got a Husqvarna back there somewhere. And I just don't know about it. I'm gonna have to get it checked out, man. Sit down here one day in the garage and work on it. But what we running with, man, I don't do a lot of leads and sticks and stuff, but I have been getting a lot of estimate calls for them. So we're gonna see. And maybe, you know, if this ain't enough, I'll go get me some gas. Add on, cause that's right here. It's still, this is a combi unit. So don't work, that's gas combi unit, it's battery combi unit. So we'll see. Maybe I'll even do a video of gas combi unit versus battery combi unit. Yeah, I think I might do that. So, but we rack, man, we ready to go. 2023. All right, guys, you see what it is. I heard another one. Massive, super massive cleanup. And they say in Florida they haven't been here in a year. And they text me and said we have a massive cleanup that we need taken care of. And this looks like a home they're trying to get sold also. So, see, you got leaves everywhere around here, man. Yeah, it's a lot of work, fellas, but it ain't nothing that I can't get done. I want you guys to drop in the comments just for what you see right now. If you do an estimate like this for. See, we got these gumballs everywhere. So it's gonna be a job. Leaves all right here. Gotta go at the neighbor's yard, look over there. Pretty and green. So for quite a while we'll go through the back. All right, guys, give you some more footage of this. Tell this job is massive, man. See these crepe myrtles? This thing's been neglected for a year. This thing looks pretty crazy. Now I'm gonna send her some good film, good videos, show her exactly what all she's looking at. So all this cleaned up, all this back here. Get that together. It's pretty. It's gonna be a job, guys. And with this job, it's gonna require a deposit if I take it on. And with that deposit, all I'm gonna do is buy some more equipment that would help me be more efficient on this job right here. I wanna get these steps looking good and all that, guys. Look how crazy it looks. So Get over here, show you. Leaves all up on there. I think this might be theirs too. Pretty sure that line is right there. It's a massive job, guys. Yeah, this is a massive job. This right here might be my first $1,000 job, guys. A lot of work. You gotta be done. A lot of work. See y'all back there. All up under there. Back here. All down that whole walkway. Fire pit needs cleaned out. So you guys can see, this is a pretty massive job. It's my biggest. If I can land this, it'd be my biggest cleanup. I just landed one that is gonna be pretty big. I'll get you some footage of it. This thing right here is massive. So you have to get a great estimate. You have to do it right. Clean up all around here. Clean up all around there. This is a good thing too to record this on YouTube, guys. That way we can actually see exactly what we need to be doing. I can go back and look over it. Get a pretty good estimate. This right here. Have to get that down. All this clean. They told me, they said they hadn't been here in a year. It's just been neglected for a whole year. So it looks pretty bad. And look at it. Might got some stuff you cut down right here and stuff. It's gonna be a massive job. You're gonna need some good help. This ain't gonna be boneyard by itself when I do this one. If I get, I'm gonna go ahead and say I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna claim it. So that thing's pretty massive. Get out the gate. See all this tree stuff right here? We'll walk around and we'll take a look at this tree. See exactly what needs to be done to this. We'll walk around and get some more stuff. I don't know if they're gonna want the bushes done, but you see the bushes. How the bushes look. Bushes look kind of crazy. Really crazy. So, see what we got out there. Yeah, you could tell they hadn't been here for a while. You see all that right there needs cleaning too. This thing is massive, guys. Now these are those bushes I was showing you. Other side. I believe all these need to be getting just took off. All of it. Get all those knocked off, take that off. So you guys let me know what you think. Got a couple more estimates I gotta hit up, so ride with me for a second, guys. It's my biggest one. I guarantee you it's my biggest one I ever did for the estimate wise. Ride with me, I'll give you some more in just a second. Alright guys, I just took care of those estimates. I did, I think 5 estimates. I got 3 more that I gotta do this afternoon. I'm gonna do those when I pick my son up from his after school program he goes to. So guys, 2023, it's time to get it, man. And I ain't got the prettiest shot, but this thing gonna bring them racks, baby, this year. Been doing, hold on, let me show you guys something else. Oh, I'll show you guys something else, man. Show you something, well, I guess I can sit it right here. I'll show you something, 1 second. Show you guys something about marketing, man. These, right here, business cards, my door hangers. Got 2 different styles. 2 different style door hangers, man. Then I got these right here that I made up for my commercials. So what these are, it's made up for my commercial contracts, and they go in there to fig all my stuff. You know what I'm saying? So you got to market, guys. So ready to get it, man. It's 2023 and we are ready to get it, man. Like I said, this ain't the best shop, but keeps my stuff safe and we gonna make them racks out of here, baby. So, man, all the new guys, man, thanks, man, for watching the channel, man. Hey, man, I appreciate everybody, man. It's been a little less than a year on the channel, man. We've been grinding, we've been getting it in. And, man, stuff from her, baby. Stay tuned. We got a lot coming in 2023 for you guys. And,
Start smoking.